Well, guys, this is currently the state that she is sitting in. We have a large dent on the hood, not at the fault of my own. And, yeah, we all know what happened with this. That is if you watch... Actually, you know what? I didn't even post that video. Anyways, hit some debris on the road, and I got reversed into. It's pretty bad. And I've been quoted $16,000 to fix it with this and the underneath damage. So, chances are, guys, there will be a new car. Maybe coming soon. Will I know for sure? I'll know for sure soon, but as of right now, that's kind of what it's looking like. Okay, we took the hood off, dude. Looks pretty sick, man. Looks better, I guess. I don't know. What do you think? Is it better?
Mean.
Yeah, that's mean. That's hot, bro. That is for sure loud. Yeah, no, it's entertaining. As you can see, it looks pretty crazy. I'm not gonna lie to you, but that is the easiest way to make your supercharger louder. Just take the fucking hood off, dude. No insulation, no nothing. But I don't know. I don't know if it really looks better than with the hood, but boy, it doesn't even matter at this point, honestly. The car's pretty fucked up. Little update here. I got the bumper off. I'm unplugging the horns because lately it's been acting real funny. It's been doing this. So yeah, I'm just gonna unplug the horns. Well, folks, just got the hood back on. She's going presumably tomorrow or Monday. Today's Thursday, but we do have a replacement coming for her this weekend. It's a lot older. It's a lot older. It's a 98. I'm just gonna try and guess what it is. Comment down below what you think it is. It's a 1998. It's a sedan, rear-wheel drive, 6-speed with a V8, making like roughly 300 horsepower. If you can guess what it is, I'll cash app you $1. How about that? Not that there's any way to prove that you guessed it before I reveal it, but anyways. I've been driving the absolute shit out of it because it's obviously leaving, and let me tell you, it's been a blast. Oh yeah, the brakes are cooked, buddy. So today we're just gonna let all the homies drive the car, just because it's going away in a couple days. So yeah. First up to drive, Camden.
Me again.
Yeah, it's fun in the passenger seat, no lie. Oh, we got this tall ass fool driving now.
Am I supposed to go to Cam's?
Yes. All right, Jordan, go for it. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother. All right.
All right, ready?
Yeah. You remember how to do it? Remember, you have to shift.
Shifting.
It's only 79. So how was it?
It was good. It pulled hard.
Yeah, bro.
Almost as fast as my old Honda Civic from the day.
Yeah, back in the day, the static Civic,
The
you had to be
99.
there. All right, Mr. David here is gonna do a little launch now.
Yes, sir.
All right.
All the way. I'm all
Wait.
right.
Really?
Yep.
Try it again. Oh, it's not gonna do it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not gonna do it. Just go. Just fuck it. I think that was the sign that the trans does not want to be launched again.
Nope. It just makes me want to laugh.
I know, dude. Dude, this is crazy in this sea, dude. Oh man, yeah, you're driving it the best out of everybody so far.
I've experienced in my truck. I
True.
drive like this in my truck.
Damn, you're whipping it, bro. You know what you're doing.
Is it Bright Street or what? The one that is it Corbin Canyon?
Oh yeah, huh? I know you know these roads too.
No.
Oh shit.
That's why I was like surprised. That's why I was surprised you didn't let me drive first.
True, huh?
'Cause I know the whole.
Oh my gosh, dude. Oh. Bro, this is. Oh shit. Get it, go. Oh. Oh my gosh. That's awesome. Oh, I wish Isaac was here. Isaac, I wish you were here.
Fucking Isaac!
Dude, why'd you have to go to school and better your fucking education? Alrighty, it's the next morning. I'm about to pick up Cam and we're gonna go look at this car. I don't think I said what it was yet, but I guess we'll go ahead and see it. It's gonna be quite the different driving experience in comparison to this car. So I'm kind of excited on that at least. A lot older though, a lot older. So that'll need some getting used to. Don't mind this, I cut myself shaving, okay? Anybody wondering? Also under my ownership, we've officially done 155,000 miles. I've done a lot of driving in this car, so it's actually gonna break my soul to give this up. 2.5 years and 55,000 miles. Fuck, man. All right, bro. We got an E39 now, I guess. It's kind of sick, I'm not gonna lie. The wheels need a little love, but it's all good. Don't know how to use the Bluetooth, and this shit exploded. So we'll get a new shift knob, but it's pretty clean overall. Oh God. Dude, I'm just in both my cars right now. This shit's crazy. Well, I'm not in both my cars, but man, that shit looks good rolling. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, so it's day 2 of owning the car, and I really enjoy driving it. It actually handles really good for a bone stock like boat. I don't know if I showed you guys, but I blew that up. Anyways, we already have our first code. It's a BMW Canon event. We got a misfire on cylinder 5. Only on full throttle though. So we're gonna change that real quick and see how they look.
But like, look at the other cylinders too.
I know. Yeah, there's quite the oil up in this establishment. Oh boy. Assuming that's what's causing the misfire on cylinder 5. That plug is drowning. All right, so we got the code cleared. We did a little cleaning up in there, new plug and coil. So we're gonna go for a little rip and see if it's good. I really, really hope it is. Okay, so we're cutting off the mufflers, obviously, because why would I not do that?
The rear mufflers.
The rear mufflers, to be specific. And yeah, so here's a before, I guess.
There's a lady.
Yeah, you probably heard the wind more.
You definitely heard the wind. You didn't hear nothing. Look how big these things are. They're huge. All right, we did it, dude. Look how big these fucking things are, dude. They didn't want us to hear this nice V8, did they? But hey.
You just drive without an angle grinder.
No, yeah, if you guys are gonna do this, get a fucking angle grinder, dude. We use a little O'Reilly's cutter tool
Bitch was thick as shit.
Yeah, no, it wasn't a good idea. It worked though. Just
2 hours late bail.
yeah. Alright, we're gonna get this start up. See how she sounds. Sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
Sounds way better. I'd have to go ahead and say that it sounds pretty good just for a muffler delete. Shout out to Cam for helping me out, but yeah, no, I dig it so far. Fixed the misfire and we got it a little louder. Pretty cool, man. Kind of a mechanic. One other thing that's dumb. I think I might have said it already, but the parking brake doesn't work. I think the cable just needs adjustment or something, so I gotta park it in gear. But don't worry, guys. We're gonna make this car sick. I didn't really do anything to the S4. So yeah, we're gonna put some love into this. Everything, mods and stuff are cheap for it, so it should be easy. Well, guys, today is the unfortunate demise of the S4. We're gonna take a couple parts off, probably the badges, just for memorabilia, you know. And we're gonna take the intake off for Cam for the Q7. We're gonna be taking the intake off, so no more winds. So we'll get a little before and after. Revving it on a cold, it doesn't really matter anyways, but that's what it currently sounds like. Alright, that's enough of that. Damn. That is sad. It's okay though. We'll get something better, guys. I mean, we got this for now. Damn. It's gotta be one of the saddest sights I've ever seen. There she goes. We got the trunk full. Now we're really doing the coilovers, okay? I deleted the other clips. We tried. Didn't have what we needed.
Nope.
Didn't have what now we do, okay? Oh, there she is. We have a special guest on today's episode. Yeah.
Bro is gonna be sitting nicely.
Anyways,
Now you can watch what they're
we're
doing.
disassembling the inner parts of this vehicle.
Boys.
You know, we have this out of the way.
Yeah.
We gotta take off the caliper. Gotta do it all in here so we can get this bad boy out.
All
And right now, I'm taking off the caliper. Ah, fuck. You don't have the stud, bro?
The shop foreman over there just posted up. Hell yeah.
Okay, so we're getting the caliper off. We got the sway bar end links off, and we got the tie rod off. Okay, now all that's left, I think, if I'm not mistaken, so we just gotta drop this. I think that's it. Yeah, we should be good. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, now all we gotta do is undo the top hat, as you would. Boom. Yeah, we'll get to that one. Boom. That one's kind of a bitch, because his fucking cabin air filter's in the way. Do I need to jack up the car more?
Chat, we need to jack up the fucking car more.
Okay.
It's on the ground.
Okay, we got this Johnny out. And we're gonna do a celebratory skate trick. Okay, cut! We're gonna utilize these gloves. That's scary. Check it out. Not with a little bit of a casualty, bro. The sway bar end link. Center a little too hard. Dropping the first one. Oh. Hey, that looks a lot better. Damn, it looks way better. It's gonna settle too. Okay, I'm good with that right now, just how it is.
Alrighty, you can't see shit, but we've got the fucking driver's side on, the wheel on.
It's right here. Anyways, we're doing the rear now. As you can see, look.
Oh fuck, what did I kick?
You
The
kicked
seat.
because that's out. Bro, the entire, but look at this.
Fucking.
This is what has to be done.
We also picked up another bean, Eric.
Yep.
He's in like a couple videos ago.
He's been in
4
it.
videos
Yeah,
ago.
he has. La Hondita.
Yes.
But yeah, this is how far we got.
Bro.
We started
What was next? I don't even know. I'll get
like 8 o'clock. We started like at 8 o'clock.
Hey, imagine going to like a speaker store. Yeah, I need these replaced. They gotta do all this. You gotta go in your camera settings on the settings. Bro, we got Nokia speakers up in here. These will never break in a million years. There you go. Go ahead and place them in the pile of miscellaneous items.
Fucking in a Cane's cup. You move that so that way ants don't fucking start crawling on that shit.
I'll probably have to remove another fucking 40 interior bits.
Yeah,
We gotta remove the front steering wheel.
oh my god, I'm fucking tripping on shit. Alright, guys. Check the fucking time. Still on the first fucking one, dog.
On the rear, anyways.
On the rear, dog. We did everything on the inside. We finished that shit like at fucking 10 o'clock.
75%, but like
10:30. Maybe 10:30 we finished that shit.
nah, just
And we've been at this shit for like literally like 3 hours. I swear to God. Fucking for all the people that can't read military time. Boom. One shot. One fucking coil, bruh. One coil.
we did 3 today.
3:47 the next fucking day, bruh. In the morning, god damn it. One for fucking one, dude. For fucking one.
Okay, so this is the current state of the project here. Just gotta put in that last one. Where is it? It's in there somewhere. Anyways, so this is how the car sits right now, and it's way too high in the back and really low in the rear. Looks pretty bad, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, and the whole back seats are all going here. The whole back seat's just taken apart. Also, I don't think I showed, I did get a shift knob, by the way. It's a ZHP one. I think I'm gonna cut the video here. So stick for the next video. We're gonna do some other maintenance and whatnot and finish the car and get the ride height dialed and all that. So yeah, stay tuned for that one. I just got off work, so I like dusty, but if you watched this far, thanks. Sure to drop a like or whatever.